What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great, or at least I hope you're all holding out. I mean, these times have been pretty tough for us all, I think. So if you're still doing okay, that's amazing, but it's quite likely that you are not. I just want to remind you that it will be alright in the end. Right now we have a lot of bearish fundamentals because of the whole FTX drama, and that directly impacts the prices because FTX has to sell. In the end, the fundamentals of crypto haven't changed, and I still, and I think you do too, still believe in the potential of the future. And right now it's tough, but if it's really tough on you, just click away for a moment. Don't even watch this video, because it's better to just kind of stay out of it and then get back once it gets better. In this video though, I wanted to shed some light on the Mask. Musk, obviously a very hyped up crypto in the last few weeks with the whole Twitter acquisition of Elon Musk, and today was it had some nice recovery. Like if you compare that with all cryptos, it was actually pretty strong. So naturally, I wanted to take a look at it. Wanted to take a look at what's going on, see if we can actually get up a little bit higher. And we'll talk about fundamentals, because some very important fundamentals are coming up in the form of inflation rates of the United States, but those always make the market move a lot. So we'll talk about all of that. First of all, purely technically, if you look at Musk, you can see that we actually like this support level here around 2.5. We dropped down a little bit lower, but the entire technical level between 2.3 and 2.5 is very strong, and we actually managed to hold that. So Musk, like compared to other cryptos, it has been stronger than other cryptos. It's very much comparable to Doge. The communities probably overlap quite a bit as well, but it's amazing to see. The other part though is that we found resistance here around 3.5. We took a break retest, as you can see, off of $3, and in normal market circumstances, I would say we're going up to 3.5, and then from there we'll drop back down, because in the end we're still pretty bearish. And you must know that if anything comes out about Twitter again, and if Dogecoin rallies, then Musk will as well, but we cannot assume that. You should know that. Then if that happens, forget about this analysis, but because we'll probably do something like this, right? But I mean, I cannot predict that. It's something you all probably know, but I cannot take that into account in the analysis, except for tell you what would probably happen. So this is purely technically seeing what I would expect, also taking a look at the normal fundamentals. But these fundamentals we're getting in about, well, 15 minutes, if you're watching this video probably, are going to be important. The CPI and the inflation rate are massively important for the crypto market. And because everything is this correlated right now, it's also very important for Musk. Altogether, the thing you should know is if this is higher than expected, it will, on myfxbook.com, the economic calendar, it will show up as green. But that's only because this is for Forex, and inflation rates for Forex, if they're higher than expected, that's good. It's not so good for crypto. It's not so good for you, therefore it's also not that good for crypto. That's a nice way of kind of knowing what certain things mean. If it's higher than expected, unfortunately, what I think is going to be happening, it's bad. Unfortunately, I think we'll drop down to 2.5, and I think it's very unlikely that 2.5 would hold. I think we're dropping all the way down to $2 and 1.8 then. All right, but on the other hand, it could also be lower than expected. If that's happening, I think Musk can actually break above 3.5 and get up towards like $4 and 4.2. All right, so it really depends. This is like the most important thing right now. And what happens afterwards, I'll be back with another analysis and update soon, but we cannot say that much about that yet. So for now, that's my take on Musk. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But most important thing is stay safe and take care. Bye.